great place to build new contacts as well.
Collaborative.
Full of leads.
Currently around 2,000 people in terms of footfall. We've been really busy on the stand.
Busy.
We've had some incredible conversations today.
Get industry insights from the professionals, so we're ahead of the curve of the direction the industry is heading.
One of the main reasons I came was because of the change in government recently and the impact that that might have on policies.
Lots and lots of concerns about renters' rights and what it means.
As landlords, we need to have knowledge. Even though there's a lot going on, I've been able to find specific people I wanted to speak to.
The first time we are here in London, we are happy because we have a very good feedback. Many people interested in come to visit our stand.
So the main reason why we came to the UK is because we understand the importance of the clients that are in the UK. We've seen a lot of footfall.
We were speaking up on stage earlier, full house. It's been exceptional.
So I think it's a great place to come to meet people who are in the industry, beginners, experts alike.
It's so easy to just kind of carry on as a landlord without really knowing what's going on in the wider world. And when you come to this sort of show, you can find out that information, you can build your knowledge and move forward as a much more professional landlord.
The atmosphere over here is extremely friendly and exciting.
I'm so happy.
I am exhausted.